Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to turn on or enable a paid promotion included on your videos. So some specific videos, for example, if your videos related to the promotion, then you can turn on. So first of all, you need to log in your YouTube account. That account you're going to do the settings, and before that you need to install YouTube Studio. Then simply choose your videos, that videos you're going to turn on or enable the promotion paid, and tap here the pencil icon, it's the editing icon, and then scroll down. Then you can see here the option mode option, and you can see here add paid promotion label. Simply tap on, and you can see here, does this video include paid promotion? If you tap yes, or you can also tap the no. So this way you can change the videos promotion on your YouTube channel. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.